Got me some Swisher Sweets. Just for this this moment. Friday, had some really good luck. I heard a lot of gobbles that morning when they flew down. Just nothing, just complete silence. And got to creep over this hill right here towards this field. And there was a strutter just standing there, just strutting around. Called to him. Never gobbled. I tried to make a move on him and try to get in position where he'd come over the hill and not see a hen. As soon as he would come over, I'd shoot him, but that didn't play out as planned. Yesterday, I had some good luck again. Was over at this field again. Figured I'd just sit here majority of the day. Had 5 gobblers come in, and just they're too far away for me to shoot. They were about 50 yards away, and so today I got on this other side of the field and just set up where I know that gobbler was strutting out Friday and where those turkeys were working yesterday, Saturday, where they were going to. And I had a 30-yard shot all around me. This turkey, he came from down that bottom. Well, before that, this morning, I walked all around and no gobbles. I haven't heard a gobble all day. I walked probably 6 miles a day this morning. Didn't hardly find any sign. No gobbles. So I figured I'd come back to this field. Came back to this field. It was around 9:30. Sat here just calling every 30 minutes. Just low, like, very soft yelps and purrs. And had hen come about 30 minutes before this one came. And I done a little, like, yelp purr. And when I got done, I heard her go, just, ow, 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 ow. I was like, that's 200 yards away. I'll turn around and work with her. And come to find out, she was calling softly too. She was about probably 15 yards behind me. And when I went to turn around, she kind of putted off. So I sit there. I don't make another call. All of a sudden, I hear just spitting. And it sounded like a turkey spitting. I know there's some birds that kind of sound like a turkey spit. I look over, I see like a very bright reflection. It was his wings. I seen his reflection probably about 50 yards away, back behind me, coming from this bottom. When we got a little closer, I could hear him drumming. But that's what got my attention, and looked over there, and sure enough, he was coming into the field where that one was strutting Friday. and he was like kind of slowly pecking around. There was a couple briars that were in the way. I could have had a shot at him. I didn't want to, that far of a shot, I didn't want to chance it. And he got in this little clearing right in front of me. It was just perfect. He was pecking around, finally raised his head up, and when he did, I shot and just folded him. This is the first time I've shot a shotgun with a red dot, and that was money. That was, I don't know if I could have killed him with a bead. That red dot was sick. But yeah, that was fun. That was one of the funner hunts I've been on. I had filmed everything Friday and Saturday, and today I was running behind and just figured I wouldn't take it. Figured I'd have this GoPro and that'd be it. But I wish I brought it. That'd be sick. But got the shot on film, so that was pretty nice. First turkey of 2022. This turkey, he's nothing special. He's got little spurs, and he's just a 2-year-old bird, probably, but not a long beard. Little spurs. He's got a cool little crooked toe though. I've never shot one with a abrupt toe like that, but I was sick. That's probably why he come in so slow, just hobbling around. Yeah, man, that was fun. That was fun.